the first official day back at college, and guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I am not excited. Like, I'm kind of dreading it. As much as I want to keep this video positive, I also want to be very real with you guys because I'm just not feeling it today, okay? Like, I don't want to go back to school. So basically I have in-person and online classes. My in-person class isn't until like 4 o'clock today, so I have the day to like do other stuff and do my online work. Hopefully it's an easy day because it's like syllabus week or like syllabus day. Some classes do start teaching the first day. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That was a shock to me when I started college. I'm like, what do you mean we're doing work on the first day? It's like 11 o'clock right now. I woke up so late, but I honestly don't know what I expected because I also did go to sleep at like 2 a.m. I just did this to myself, honestly. I haven't eaten anything yet, so I think I'm gonna go out to eat. Guys, if you can see my double chin, let's just ignore that, okay? I'm already having a bad day. Anyway, I do want to get breakfast, and then I'm going to kind of go through all my online courses. I am taking 4 classes this semester. Literally a day ago, I ended up dropping some classes and taking different ones. So my schedule is like kind of random now. It's not what it was from that last video. Let's just go ahead and get straight into this vlog. So I just want to show you guys what I was wearing. My mirror's kind of dirty, so sorry about that. But I'm basically wearing a white top. This is from Shein, I think. And then I'm wearing these like brown linens. They're so cute. They are kind of like formal, so I might change it later. I don't really know what my vibe is, honestly, but they are really, really cute. I don't know where they're from. My mom actually thrifted it. It has like these little strings on it. It's so cute. But yeah, and then I don't know what I'm wearing for my shoes. It's probably just gonna be like plain white shoes, honestly. I'm just gonna bring my book bag. I went through what's in my backpack in my last video, so I'm just gonna do like a quick rundown. So I just have my pencil pouch, my emergency bag, some folders, paper, and then I'm just gonna put my laptop in here as well. And that's pretty much all that I'm going to bring. This is the thing about having a backpack and a purse, like you kind of have to constantly switch everything that's in your purse and your book bag. So I will be putting everything that's in my purse in my backpack as well, so like my wallet, my ID, like my important stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna do that really quick and then we'll head out to get breakfast. It is literally so cute in here. It's pretty empty, but there's still people, so I'm trying to be quiet. But this is like perfect. They literally have like study rooms. Okay, so I just got my food. I got pizza, fish bread, and honey ginger iced tea. Look how cute this is. And then honey ginger tea, I think. Okay, so taste test for this. Okay, I did not expect it to be that gingery. But ginger is really good for you. So I think there's like actual ginger in here. Oh my gosh, it's so gingery. I did not expect that, but it's really good. And then we got pizza fish bread, which is literally pizza in shape of a fish. So good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Basically I'm just like replying to people and like introducing myself on my online courses. I've only done 1 class. I have 2 other ones that I need to look into online, and then I have my in-person class at 4 and it's 1 o'clock right now. I'm gonna try to kind of wrap it up. Honestly, I don't see myself finishing everything I need to for my online stuff, but I can always go back to it later at maybe like after my in-person class. Home right now. I really want to go to Whole Foods to get like some flowers just to like celebrate the first day. That's kind of cringy, but like I feel like that's so cute. Let me see if there's a Whole Foods around here. Yeah, there is. I think I'm gonna go to Whole Foods and then I'm gonna go home and then kind of get ready to go to my in-person class after, because I have some time to kill. Let's go ahead and head over to Whole Foods, get some flowers, because I heard they do like free like flower arrangements if you buy the flowers, so I really wanted to do it. So yeah, let's go. So I'm back home. I just got back from Trader Joe's. I was gonna go to Whole Foods, but then the selection wasn't that good. So like I did end up going, but then I ended up going somewhere else. Trader Joe's, obviously I just said that. And they had such a better selection. No hate on Whole Foods. I think it was just a location I went to. I don't know what it was, but anyway, I got these really cute flowers I'm gonna show you. I really wanted to get lilies. They did have some, but cats are allergic to lilies, so I couldn't get that. It's okay because I found these really pretty carnations. I got eucalyptus, and then I don't know what this is, but I got these. Okay, I am literally obsessed with these flowers. Funny story, I was checking out these flowers today. The guy at the register was like, what are these for? And da da da. I just panicked. I'm like, oh, it's for my friend. Then he's like, oh, like what's the occasion? Like da da da. I'm like, bro, stop asking me questions, bro. I don't know why I said this, but I was like, oh, a funeral. I don't know why I said that. And he was like, oh, didn't mean to make this awkward. Can I just check out in peace? And then earlier today, somebody like stopped me outside the cafe to sign up for the gym. Guys, it needs to stop because I'm not that social. But anyway, so excited about these flowers. But yeah, I'm gonna start heading out now because I really need to get to my class. I have to leave in like 10 minutes and my battery's about to die. So I'm gonna charge it as long as I can and then I'm headed to school. Okay guys, so I'm actually at the school right now. There's literally so many people here. I have my class in 10 minutes, so I have to find the room. I found the building, so it's fine. I honestly just really hope that they don't make me introduce myself. I hate when they make me introduce myself. I get so much anxiety. I'm really hoping they don't make me do that, but they probably will, so I'm preparing myself mentally. Also, I forgot my AirPods. That was really the icing on the cake, okay, because there was traffic here. People were driving crazy. But I will see you guys after my class so we can debrief about it. I am back and it's actually been like a little minute. I literally ate dinner. I went to the store. The class was kind of boring, I'm not gonna lie. Like I was getting really sleepy in that class, but they did make us introduce ourselves. But it wasn't even that bad. Like I don't know why I was tripping that bad. So I actually do have like a lot of assignments to get done. I didn't finish that one class that I started this morning, but I am gonna just try to like sit down and start teaching myself because it is an asynchronous course and it's chemistry. And then I actually did end up putting the flowers in a vase. I think I need to, yeah, I definitely need to cut the stems. But it's so cute. I'm gonna cut the stems, put some water in there, but I'll do that later. It's just gonna look a little silly for the video, at least for this part. Okay guys, so I'm not even gonna lie, I fell asleep last night. I physically could not do anything else. I was so tired and never did the work that I said I was gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I actually have work later. I haven't finished yet, but that's expected because I basically have the whole week to do all this work. Luckily it's not too hard, but I definitely need to like go back and review some stuff. But yeah, it's a lot, but I feel way better like working at my own pace. Like I can pause and write down whatever I want at any point, and I feel like that's really helping me. So I feel like this might actually be a little bit better for me, just honestly, but we shall see. It is literally the end of the week, first day at ooh, what the heck? Okay, but body tea. Body tea. body tea though. Anyway, so basically me vlogging my first day ended up being vlogging my first week, kind of. But I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm struggling a little bit. I'm struggling, but guess what? I literally caved and got the iPad. Somebody in the comments tell me to stop spending my money, but I keep telling myself it's for school, so it makes me feel better about spending the money. I got the iPad because as I was taking notes for like my online classes and like just everything, I'm just like, this would be so much easier if I could put like these pictures in my notebook, like the diagrams and the charts that I have to put in. So I got the iPad. And guys, I'm literally, I know like last vlog I got like AirPods and I was like feeling so guilty about buying AirPods, but I promise you guys I'm not rich. Like I'm not rich at all. So we're gonna unbox the iPad. I'm really excited. I just thought this would be cute to put in the vlog. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox everything. I got the A16 iPad. They had a deal for like students, so it was actually not that expensive. But yeah, I got the A16 11-inch iPad because the 13-inch is just huge. Like I really don't think I need that. And then I got the screen protector that makes your iPad feel like paper. This was kind of like, I really didn't need to get it, but I just wanted the full experience. But this was literally like $50. I'll let you guys know if it's worth it. And then I got the Apple Pencil because, like I said, I just want the full experience, okay? I just hope it's worth it, guys. I honestly think it is, especially because like school, like you just need this stuff. Like you really just need it. And I just feel like it's gonna save me a lot of time and it's just gonna help me study better. So I think this is a good investment. But let's go ahead and unbox it because I'm literally so excited. Okay, hopefully you can see everything good. Let's unbox this thing. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then it comes with the charger. Okay, so I actually do really like the screen protector. It feels like a matte finish. This, ooh. Okay guys, I'm gonna try it. I love it, guys. I'm gonna get the app Good Notes because I heard that that's a really good app for like taking notes and stuff. Okay, it is literally a new day. My camera died and I just never charged it back. But I did get a case as well. I literally just got it from Walmart. It was like $10. So I already made a notebook for anatomy. I was taking chem the other day when you saw me last, guys, and then I dropped another class and started taking anatomy. But I made an anatomy notebook. But yeah, guys, that's basically the end of the video. So I don't want to bore you guys with any more of this stuff. I really hope everybody has a good first day back at school. If you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of this. I'm posting a lot of college content right now, but I also do other stuff like lifestyle and like productivity stuff. So if you like that stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Comment down below when you guys start school. I feel like I started earlier than like everybody else for some reason. And give this video a like so that other people can see it. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys. Tonight is on a island. It's about